guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a crochet hair tutorial. This, for reference, is my braid down. If you would like to have a look, it is the illusion boxes with cornrows at the back. So the hair I'll be using today is from AliExpress, and these are 14-inch French curl crochet braids. They came in a pack of 7 packs, and this is what the hair looked like straight out of the box. So I always begin my crochet braids at the back, and I use a crochet hook just to feed the hair through. I'll try and turn around so you can see exactly what I mean. Really easy to do, really straightforward. You just put the crochet hook in a downward motion, the hook through, attach the hair, pull it through, and then loop it in. I hope that makes sense. So in terms of how much hair you will need, I don't think 7 packs is ideal if you would like to do a really full head. I think the fuller the hair looks, the more you can mimic individual braids. You can get away with 7 packs of hair, but I think it would kind of look sparse in some areas. So if you like, a really full look, then I would recommend about 9 packets, 10 to be on the safe side. But if you don't mind the hair being sparse in some areas, then 7 packs should be enough. So I'm just going to speed up here so that you can see how easy it is to do this. Once you get used to doing these, they honestly become second nature, and you don't even really need to use like a mirror. Once you get used to it, it's so easy. So I am going up the first vertical cornrow, starting from the back and just making my way up. As you can see, I'll get all the way to the top, and then I will let you have a look and see how much hair has been added. At this point, it's also a good time to note that although I did use the full 7 packs of the hair, I also added in some 24 inches of hair that I had used in the past, so you can actually reuse these braids, which is really the big advantage of crochet braids. So I mixed and matched, and then I cut them at the end to length. So this is pretty much the first row complete, and this was about 1 packet of hair, so you can see how little is in each packet of hair. So this is when I began to add in the longer pieces, 24 inches like I mentioned before, and it's a shame that my camera angle doesn't pick up the difference in the length. I think I did try to lift it up, but I don't think you can see. But the hair blends really well, and if you do look after the little French curl braids, they will maintain the curls. They don't normally tangle. Okay, this is what it looks like from the back, and I'm just adding them, slowly building it up. I'm trying to do them as close together as possible, and I normally leave that bottom row for the last sort of overflow of braids. So like if I have any extra, because I'm mainly focused on what you can see from the outside, and my hair is going to be down, so if there are crochet braids missing from that bottom row that you saw there, then no one's going to really know. Okay, right now I'm just going to show you a hack that I use to make sure that my braids are not sparse and to also give more of a natural look. So what you're going to want to do is add these at the top of the hair, add these braids vertically in the same direction as the cornrow. I will show you once more again here. So I'll show you again, add the crochet hook in the direction of the cornrow, add the hair, and then you'll notice that the hair is quite close together and more natural looking. Okay, I do apologise, I lost so much of my footage, but this is the finished look, and unfortunately I lost the footage where I cut the hair and completed it. This is what it looks like from the back and how I've styled it. Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already and this is your type of content. I will see you in my next video.